Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on the best LLC formation service for Amazon, including the benefits, steps to get started, and important requirements to get your business up and running. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. And now that you are planning to start an Amazon FBA business, setting up an LLC is a crucial step that you shouldn't overlook. In this video, I'll guide you through the reasons why you might need an LLC and how to set up one up efficiently. So, what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC, is a business structure that offers personal liability protection for its owners. This means that in the unfortunate event that your business faces legal action, your personal assets are shielded. With the risk of lawsuits, it's smart to establish an LLC to protect yourself and your business. So now let me guide you through on how you can set up your LLC for your Amazon FBA business. You can just do this on your own, but I think it's too much hassle and you would have to go through all of the process, from filing to keeping up with the state's regulations and so on. That is why I just recommend using Northwest Registered Agent Formation Service. It's low cost for only $39 plus state fees, and they will do all of the heavy lifting for you. They will ensure that you will be compliant with your state. You would have no bad records and so on. All you have to do is just provide your details with them. So especially if you're a beginner, I highly recommend that you get this service. So now the first step that we'll be doing is that you want to go into the link in the description. You want to click on that so that you'll be prompted here into this website. So from here, you want to click here on Let's Get You Started. So now you can start setting up your LLC. And then from here, what you want to do is the first thing that you'll need to do is choose the type of business you would like to start. So of course, we'll be choosing an LLC. And from here, you can choose your state right here on where would you like to form your business. I recommend forming your LLC in your home state to streamline the process and potentially save money. While Delaware and Nevada are popular choices for LLC formation, starting in your state can simplify compliance and tax obligations. So let's just choose Nevada for this example. And that next is this one right here. So let's go for the next step. And from here, you would need to choose a name. Next, you'll need a name for your LLC. Make sure to follow your state's naming guidelines. Most states require that your LLC name include limited liability company or LLC. You can check your name availability on the Secretary of State website. Also consider if the domain name for your chosen name is available, as a strong online presence is vital for your Amazon business. So depending on which state you are in, it would have a different website or URL for your Secretary of State website. So to simplify this process, that is why I highly recommend using Northwest Registered Agent, because you can just fill it up right here. So the remaining steps would be to just fill up all of this information right here. In here, if you would like to have a single member or multi-member LLC, your contact information, your account setup, business identity, optional items that you would like, and your payment. This is where you'd be providing your payment details. And after this one, your LLC will now be processed. Now let's talk about the tax implications of your LLC. LLCs are typically taxed as pass-through entities. This means that any income generated by your LLC flows through to your personal tax return. You'll be liable for federal taxes and, depending on your state taxes as well. If your LLC makes a profit of $40,000 or more, consider electing to be taxed as an S-Corp. This option can lead to substantial tax savings. Essentially, you'll pay yourself a reasonable salary, and the remaining profit can be treated as distributions, avoiding self-employment taxes on that portion. And that's it. Don't forget, if you want to simplify the LLC formation process with no hassle and headaches, check out Northwest Registered Agent, where you can set up your LLC for just $39. Click the link in the description to get started. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.